Yeah, so good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we are talking about Forex currency pair. This is your friend, your boy, Forex Strategy Factory behind the screen. You know, in front of me is the pair USDJPY. We have been talking about this pair for how many weeks now? Okay, what we did in the previous video is when I put a line on this chart, I said, because you have to know exactly where the market is going in the long run. And then I put a line on it. Okay. I put a line on it. I said, because everything we want to do is to find a buying opportunities, and I put my line, okay, under it. And then I said, we are going to wait until we see something, the price breaks below this line that we have here under the price, that this is the time we're going to come and start looking for another buying opportunity. Okay, this is USDJPY one more time. So as you can see, the market has gone as we planned, although we were waiting. We waited for so long before this happened. Okay, the real issue is this is playing based on the way we plan it, and then I think it's time to say we are good to go. So what is the next thing we're gonna do now? A lot of people cannot wait. Waiting is one thing that is going to drive you into success in Forex. Okay, it's a game of patience, it's a game of waiting, but still, it's a game of knowledge. You have to know exactly where is the trend going. If you don't know this, you need to ask me how to know it. If you go watch some of my video, which is tagged Forex Trendy, I think I have the link of Forex Trendy under some of those videos. Okay, that is what is going to show you exactly where the trends of the market is going. Okay, so let's leave that alone. But if you want to get the Forex Trendy system that can show you where the market is going and is going to teach you exactly how the price moves, then you need to check my video. Just type on my channel Forex Trendy by Forex Strategy Factory, then you will see it. Okay, the link is under it. If you see the link, get it. Why not get it? Why not get something that is going to bring success into your life? You know, I've used Forex Trendy for 4 years or 5 years, and I'm happy with it. Now let's continue. Now, since the price has now broken down from where we've been looking at it to break under this trend line that we have drawn, what is the thing to do now? Okay, I told you, now is the time to come and find a buying opportunity. Okay, a buying opportunity. Now we're going to come find a buying opportunity. How are we going to find a buying opportunity? You see, what we're gonna do now, from this zone I'm pointing at, let me show you. From all this zone that is below this red trend line, we're gonna find a buying opportunity to the upside. So how are we gonna do that? So the only thing you're gonna do now, if you want to do this, I'm telling you, is this is when you need the Forex Trading system to really show you or tell you exactly when to buy. Okay? Great. And this is the time you need to bring out all your indicators that is going to show you a buying opportunity. Example, okay, example, if I bring one of my indicator, okay, this is my indicator that is called income arrow. I bring it out and I said, okay, let's say it's 5, then crosses the, sorry for the camera is shaking, crossing the 5 crossing 50 MA. Let's say, for example, the 5 is crossing the 50 MA. Every other thing is true with alarm and everything. We are okay with it. Just push it down there. Now see, from this zone, now we have seen it. It's a buy. That's why it's rally up. Okay. But what we're gonna wait for right now, as you can see, I put my entry already. Okay, because I've seen it going up already, so I have put my own entry in there. That's my first entry anyway, because we're still gonna wait for another arrow to come out, another income arrow to come out, and we're gonna enter it one more time. Now, what is our target? You see, if you are trading this type of market where you are on the uptrend, we got a big pullback breaking below the trend line, and we know it's gonna go up. Everything we wait for is our own up arrow that appears here. So where is our take profit? That's our final exit, where the pullback started. This is the previous high now. Where the pullback started is the previous high. Okay, that is the previous high we're going to target as a take profit level. And where is the stop loss? Okay, to me, if you see that I have a take profit, but I don't have a stop loss. You know why? Because I know that I gave it a chance that the market may pull back and come and start hunting the stop loss. So I never do any stop loss thing. What I do is I want the market to go above my price level and even go far away. Then I use my stop loss to lock break even. Okay, that is exactly what I used to do. So this type of arrow that gives you your entry signal, I know many of you don't have it, but I think I've talked about it in many of my Forex video, and I've put the link in there, but unfortunately the link have been removed. So I don't know what to do about that, but you guys should just go think of getting Forex Trendy, because that is the only thing that can show you when to enter this type of market. Okay, so that is that for the USD/JPY little bit analysis. Just a little bit analysis. Okay, a little bit analysis. But in order to make it perfect, because of those people that really want to learn, okay, because some people really want to learn seriously, okay, we do something like this, that okay, this thing I've separated from the low. This is the low. The low red line is the low. Okay, it's separate from the low. Okay, and it started going up. Now, if we have to put a trend line now on the new trend we've got, we're gonna do something that just looks like this. Okay, so now you can see that the price now is traveling inside a kind of triangle. Okay, it's traveling inside a triangle, starting a new trend from here, and now it's going up inside the triangle. Okay, it's not gonna break down anyway, because until where the triangle become fold, okay, at the peak of the triangle, that is when another breakout down is coming, but not now. That's when it's gonna break below this current trend line, this lower trend line. Okay, now that is that for the USD/JPY. If we remove this line, which is the bottom line of separation, we can remove it. Let me delete it, and then I know now you can see perfectly a triangle on the screen. Now you must say that, how do I know all these things? You see, this is why I tell you guys, go and get the Forex Trendy, man. Check my video, type Forex Trendy on my channel. This will come out. Go get it. Forex Trendy shows you a lot of pattern. This triangle pattern, you will see it when the market have formed a triangle pattern. Okay? Definitely, the Forex Trendy will show you, you will see it. There is a continuation of movement of trend in there, inside that triangle. Okay? And now the USD JPY just started a triangle pattern, and then we are moving up with it. So many people, the problem you have is how to wait. How to wait. Okay? That's the problem. If you cannot wait for a point to plan your own trade, definitely I see that definitely losing is going to be the game if you cannot wait. This is our take profit level. Okay, as you can see, my take profit is just even before it gets to this line. Okay, that is my own take profit. You understand? We have set the take profit level for you, which is the green, this green line. Okay, and that is exactly where the market retraced before it came to break down below this previous lower trend line. Now we got another new trend line. We're going up. We're going up. So the point is, when you cannot wait in Forex to really give yourself a breath to say, let me see what is going on in the long run. Let me see what is going on in the long run. Then you should look at it like, man, maybe you should be experiencing something like a failure. You got to be failing on and on and on. There was one video I made a few years ago. When I make this video, it's just like this analysis. When I told people that, look, if your own trading is not like this, then I think you going nowhere, bro. You going nowhere, so, you know, you going nowhere. You must have the big eye for the market. It's not by guessing, it's not by gambling, but, you know, by taking advantage of some tools that is out there. Take advantage of those tools so that you can be a professional like this. So definitely this is where we're going to bring this video to an end, and you got to share this video and like it, show it some love, so that I can continue to come and do this type of videos for you guys. You understand? So you got to take care and have a wonderful, wonderful trading next week. Bye.